जोहार झारखंड। आज हम फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी पार्ट 6 में वेस्टर्न एंड सेंट्रल स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट शेयर कर रहे हैं। द वेस्टर्न और सेंट्रल स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया इंक्लूड राजस्थान, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश एंड the Union Territories of Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli। आज 8 जनवरी 2023 है। मैं पिछले वीडियो में ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स और नॉर्दर्न स्टेट की चर्चा कर चुके हैं। आज हम 6 राज्य जो हैं राजस्थान, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश और यूनियन टेरिटरी दादर नगर हवेली तो चर्चा करेंगे। Rajasthan is the largest state in India. It lies in the western part of India. Its neighboring states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Pakistan lies to its west. इस प्रकार हम देख रहे हैं कि राजस्थान जो है भारत का सबसे बड़ा राज्य है। यह भारत के पश्चिमी भाग में स्थित है और इसके नेबरिंग जो हैं पड़ोसी राज्य हैं पंजाब, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश और मध्य प्रदेश और गुजरात हैं। पाकिस्तान इसके वेस्ट में है। जयपुर इज द कैपिटल ऑफ राजस्थान। Other important cities are Jodhpur, Bikaner, Ajmer, Kota and Udaipur. Most of Rajasthan is covered by Thar Desert. The other two physical regions of these states are the Aravalli Hills and the southeastern Plateau region. Guru Shithar near Mount Abu is the highest peak in the Aravalli Hills. The rivers that flow through Rajasthan include Luni, Banas, Bandanda, Chambal and Dhadar Hatra. Eastern part of the Aravalli receive slightly more rain than the desert region. The Thar Desert does not have much vegetation due to low rainfall. Only thorny bushes and clumps of grass grow here. Trees like khajri and tittar grow along the edges of the desert. Forests grow on the slopes of the Aravalli Hills. The main occupation in Rajasthan is agriculture. Farmers grow millets like bajra and jowar, which can be cultivated in areas with low rainfall and poor soil. They also grow wheat, cotton, chili, tomato, vegetables and fruits with the help of water from canals. The farmers in north and northwest Rajasthan get water from the Indira Gandhi Canal, an area of lush green vegetation that comes up around a source of fresh water in a desert is called an oasis. Gujarat is the second westernmost state in India. Its neighboring states are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra and the Union Territory Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli। गुजरात जो है दूसरा वेस्टर्न राज्य है जो भारत के वेस्टर्न सीमा बनाता है। राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र और यूनियन टेरिटरी दमन और दादर नगर हवेली इनके चारों ओर सराउंडिंग राज्य हैं। The Arabian Sea borders Gujarat on the west and the south, and Pakistan border it on the north. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Other important cities are Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, and Rajkot. The major physical regions of these states are the coastal plain, the Rann of Kutch, the vast plain of the Saurashtra Peninsula, and the eastern hilly region. The Rann of Kutch is a huge salt marsh that covers most of northwestern Gujarat. A salt marsh is an area of low-lying land which gets flooded periodically by seawater. The major rivers that flow through Gujarat are Sabarmati, Narmada, Tapi, and Mahi. On the steep rocky slopes of the Girnar and the Mandav hills, teeth, bear, and banyan tree grow. Salt is grow in the eastern hilly region. The farmers of Gujarat grow a large variety of crops like wheat, jowar, bajra, and pulses. Cotton and groundnuts are the two important cash crops grown here. Gujarat is one of the leading producers of both these crops in India. The Great Run of Kutch is one of the largest salt deserts in the world. Third state is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is one of the largest states in India. It lies on the west coast of India. The Arabian Sea stretches all along its western boundary. The neighboring states of Maharashtra are Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka, Goa, and the Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Other major cities of these states are Pune, Nagpur, Nasik, Kolhapur, Solapur, and Aurangabad. The main physical regions of the states are the Konkan Coast, the Western Ghat, and Deccan Plateau. The Konkan Coast is a fertile plain where agriculture is practiced. The Western Ghat are a mountainous range of hills on the eastern side of the Konkan coast. The Deccan Plateau lies to the east of the Western Ghat and covers most of Maharashtra. Godavari, Krishna, and Tapi are the major rivers that flow through Maharashtra. The Konkan coast and the Western Ghats receive heavy rain. The sides of the Western Ghat facing the Arabian Sea has dense evergreen forest. Teak and sandalwood grow on the slope facing the plateau. On the drier Deccan Plateau, grasses, acacia tree, and thorny bushes grow. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of Maharashtra. The main cereals grown are rice, wheat, jowar, and bajra. A variety of fruit like strawberries, grapes, oranges, and Alfonso mangoes are also grown here. The oranges of Nagpur are very famous. The important cash crops are cotton, groundnut, and sugarcane. The black soil found in the region is good for growing cotton. Maharashtra is the largest producer of cotton and the second largest producer of sugarcane in India. Fourth western state is Daman and Diu, located in western India. The Union territory of Daman and Diu is made of two distinct regions, Daman and Diu. The territory is bordered by Gujarat on one side and the Arabian Sea on the other. Daman is separated from Diu by the Gulf of Sambat. Daman is the capital of the Union Territory of Daman and Diu. The territory consists mainly of fertile coastal plain. Daman is located at the mouth of the Daman-Ganga River. Diu is a small island situated slightly off the coast of Gujarat. The Union Territory has very little area under forest cover. Thorny shrubs and palm trees are mostly found in the coastal areas. Hota, Tasuria and Acacia are also found in plenty. Daman lies on the fertile alluvial coastal plain. As a result, a variety of crops such as rice, radi, groundnut, pulses, beans, wheat, and coconut are grown here. Fruits such as mango and banana are also grown. Fifth states union territory, Dadar and Nagar Haveli is a union territory located in the western part of India. From 26 January 2090, both Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu are amalgamated and make a one union territories. Now, but I know the physical uh, part of the Daman and Dadar Nagar Haveli before and Dadar and Nagar Haveli is now. It consists of two separate regions, Dadar and Nagar Haveli. It is bordered by the states of Gujarat and Maharashtra. Silvassa is the capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. The region is largely hills with plains in its central part. The Sahyadri range of the western Ghats lie in this region. The Daman-Ganga River flows through this union territory. The region has a large area under forest cover. Trees commonly found here include teak, fir, sesame, Mara and Sadra. The crops cultivated in these regions are rice, radi, small millet, jowar, sugarcane, and pulses like tur. Vegetables like tomato, cauliflower, cabbage, and brinjal, and fruit like mango, dava, papaya, and banyan are also grown. Madhya Pradesh, as its name suggests, lie in the very heart of India. The word Madhya means center in Hindi. Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Rajasthan are the neighboring states of Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Other important cities are Indore, Jabalpur, Ujjain, and Gwalior. The Malwa Plateau covers the neighboring northern parts of the state, and the central hill ranges are found in the central part. The Aravali hill lies to the northwest of the Malwa. Plateau, Malwa Plateau, while the Vindhya and Satpura range lie to the south. Major rivers that flow through these states are Narmada, Tapi, Betwa, Chambal, Son, and Sipra. Most of Madhya Pradesh is covered with forest. over the plateau region, Dhat-Tri, Throni buses, and Savai Drasdro. In the hill ranges, there are thick forests where teeth and salt trees grow along with bamboo. People get medicinal herbs, fruits, honey, and lath from the forest. The blade soil is the blade soil of the Malwa Plateau is ideal for the cultivation of cotton and sugarcane. Rice is grown in the valley of the Narmada River. Wheat, while seeds, pulses, jowar, and bajra are also cultivated. Till 2000, Madhya Pradesh was the largest state in India. In the year 2000, 16 of its districts were added to new states of छत्तीसगढ़. तो आज का वीडियो यहीं तक. अगले वीडियो में मैं साउथर्न स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में चर्चा करूँगा. धन्यवाद.